Gender neutrality, gender sensitivity, gender mainstreaming.
Given the history of Bududa, we've seen in the news, heard in the news about these calamities, and I'm very grateful that one of the survivors of this catastrophe has actually been interested in planting trees in order to curb these landslides. As an organization, VCAD is interested in nurturing the environment, and this being an area of calamities, we hope that to get in touch with other stakeholders, including the natives of the area, the government officials, to help us to save, first and foremost, the climate, the environment, and also our people.
The target number of trees you hope to plant within this season?
We plan to plant as many trees as possible, not only in Bududa but the country at large. But right here, if we can have them as windbreakers, we plant as many trees as possible in order for us to have the environment conserved and also to have more green nature within.
Like we've always said, community engagement is very important. And as you can see, we came down here to Bududa, where we've been having the issue of landslides as a disaster, which has been, of course, a big issue over here. But then if we can engage the farmers, the community leaders, to ensure that we plant trees on the slopes of these hills, I think it will go a long way in making sure that we protect these communities. As you are aware, in 2019, right here where we are standing, we lost over 47 people to mudslides, and it is something we don't want to happen again. So these trees, as you've heard, can act as windbreakers, but also they hold the soil. But as you know, it has been an issue of poor farming methods, and we are trying to engage the farmers who are farming here to make sure that they plant trees to at least mitigate the effects of this disaster.
The names?
Benson.
Amanya Bidwa Kusoro John, the area council of Ekitundu kino. Era okufatwa abeerawo nga eno landslide yakatandika yali 2019 December nga 3 olw'eggulu. Era abantu bayisibwa bubi nnyo lwa landslide eno nga eri kubajjawo n'ebintu byabwe. Era ebintu ebisinga buli kimu kyagenda lwakuba nti tekyaliwo egyasikala nga bakirabako, buli kimu gyakenta. Abantu bayisibwa bubi nnyo, ende zakenta, embuzi, enkoko, ebintu byonna, plants, all plants crop byagenda, abantu ne basikala nga tebakyali bulungi. Abantu baafa n'amayumba gagenda, abantu baafa bali 46 n'ennyumba zakenda zaali 67. Era abantu basikala nga bali bubi nnyo, abasikala bagenda mu makyaki, mu matwaliro ne babeera eyo. kati akaseera kano nze mbeera ng'endi musenyifu okubalaba nga mwazi wano okulaba nti okukyusakyusa obwire bwaffe tulabe engeri gyegenda kubeeramu ng'abantu. Okusimba emiti kiyambako nga enkuba eri kutonya ennyingi, okulaba nti ng'eri kutonya amazzi kali kukulunkuta okufa waggulu okutuuka wansi, kati okukiryayinga ebintu ebiriwo egyo emiti kiyambako ne roots nga kitufendinga amazzi na topsoil okugenda wali wansi ebintu nebisikala nga tebiri kubeerawo bulungi. Era n'abantu kati ekiti kiri awo ekinene landslide yatwala ebintu byona, naye ekiti ekyo ekinene kyasikalawo lwakuba nti giri heavy okulaba kidifendinga eddaka okugenda. Era eno landslide yali nyingi lwakuba yatwala village 3 okufa wakulu paka wasi, yatwala Namasa na Poshi Shihurure paka wali wasi. Era ebintu byakosewa nnyo mu kaseera ako, era abantu bawanga tebali bulungi, tewali kintu kyona gye bayinza okukolawo ng'abantu lwakuba nti tebali ne knowledge yakulaba nti babeerawo nga bwe muze leero. Nze amanya n'amatobozi Sikadde Kusolo John, ebyokwogera nti nabingi naye kati lw'obudde kankomaawo. Sikadde John Kusolo area Kansala w'ekitundu kino.
Bakiyita batya?
Eno area eyitibwa tuli Butuda, tuyimiridde wano eno Butuda district, Busheka sub county, Naposh parish, na Posh village, nainze vira wali waggulu Namasa village. Mwebala okujja.
Laive bisala bino bifunomo kumisaliswa ni hulyoho bitunda yakukusoma kamani nenga hufura kukanira kumisaliswa banga kumenya mufo shibiri biraita byekinguru kira kubikana nabiho bibyala bihuyete bubwiri nanga bukutambisa species
mubuuze ekyaliwo wano emyaka egise
arisi huimira ashine shaba cheso leho kanika hori bifeso menyami bibiri birayumanyisa shine shaba
shobo yebenguru wenge mudi 19 hebange butambisa nge huiro abantu befe nanga benga kumenya mubisera bino shifumenya mumbere ndaitawe kumenya nga huwembera reho baholi mushifo shibi kira hokana hubyale bisa eri kumiseriswa menya ndi kumukamba uheta hako siwati
shine simwafi
wafira zinzu wafira babana wafira buli shintu zingafu buli shitwera kwani shati wala mengefe atendi masi hocha tawe wala mahuru wefena kira hokana muhuyete hubyale bisa bamenya byakumisa hokomasa kefe kumukambe ndi muheza mwatia hwazire tawe la hwambira shisa bisa hubo kuna mwahutia muhesera hano.
Where was she when the catastrophe happened?
Mumbukeyo abayena
mumbukeyo nabenge ndi mushifumu nenga wela mambira shisa bisa inguru yabanga yiha question ho bisa fiti ari inzu yako wabenga hutimani abana baza hwangalia buse bali bana babanga bahubukula bahwira hewawe baza hulindira he
shibanyisa liswali hanina
liswali hanine fe yahwira ho bana bala bese hole he nyuma ari fe hwela birira ho Fatima bana bese hole hamonzo bazi.
That she has participated in the planting of trees because she believes it can help in holding the soil to avoid the catastrophe that has ever happened here, but they hope also to get fruits from this particular variety. She also said in this particular location there was a landslide in 2019 in which they lost property, cows, people including children, and she gave a testimony herself that they just survived narrowly. They moved aside and within seconds the house was washed away, and the part where they were standing was also moved. They were just rescued by rescuers and relatives who took them in. So she says she's very hopeful that God helped them to survive, but now with an action like this they can be protected in the future such that when we come back we find them. Yes. Which language?
English. You can use English.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Godfrey Chisuche, Councillor representing Busheka Sub-County. Actually, when the catastrophe happened, we lost our people. Because we lost over 46 people, we are no longer seeing them, and we shall never have them in the future. But when you've come like this, we are very happy that when you plant these trees, it will a certain extent hold the lands so that it cannot run because of this steepness of the soil. So we are just glad that we've come, and our people are really in need of these trees because we need them as much as possible. We need these indigenous trees so that we can have food, they can preserve our environment, because we don't want to reach to the extent of our world going to maybe global warming or some sort of that.
Very good.